Hey everyone, it's Nathy. Welcome back. I decided to do another red lip video. This time I wanted to try out the Milani All-Inclusive Eye, Cheek, and Face Palette. I have this in the shade Light. From the Ulta website, I could see they had only two versions, the light and the dark, but I've seen online that they also have a smoky one. I don't know that they have any other like tone range, so this is the light version and the dark is just a bit darker. So anyways, I just wanted to test it out and see how I liked it. This I think would be a good palette for traveling, so I had to go ahead and pick it up. But if you want to see how this performed, keep on watching. Alright, so I've got my foundation on. I used the Amazonian Clay foundation from Tarte. I used to love this. This is the shade Ivory. I used to love this, but I've been wearing a lot of like glowier stuff. So wearing this I now feel super matte. But anyways, I blended it with a Real Techniques blending brush. And we're going to start with the eyes. So I'm using the Milani eyeshadow primer. Just a tiny bit. I really don't like squeeze bottles because I always over squeeze. So we're going to apply that. Oh, I didn't bring anything to set it, so I guess that'll be the downside of this one palette. So I'm using this new Milani All-Inclusive Eye, Cheek, and Face palette. I thought it would be great for traveling because you've got your eye shades down the middle. Then you've got a warm bronzer, a highlight, and then two blushes right here. This is the light version. As far as I could see on the Ulta website, they only have a light and a dark, which is kind of a bummer for selection of ranges, but we'll see how it performs. So I'm going to go in with a blender brush, and I'm going to go in with this matte shade up here. It's really just, it's called Shadow. I mean, they're all just labeled with where you place it. They don't have cool names for them. So we're going to apply that in the crease. And I'm trying to best to work with this lighting. It's pretty, more like an everyday color. This is like a pinky salmon shade. And then to deepen everything out, I'm going to go with this bottom one. That one's more like a brownie, kind of a medium brown. You could always dip into the blushes and the bronzers. You don't have to follow what they say, but I'm just going to follow it as the palette wants you to use it. And then for the lid, I'm going to use the shimmery shade, which is that one in the middle, and just a flat shader brush. That one's kind of a little rougher, but ooh, it's pretty. It's like a pinky rosy tone. I'll try to post pictures so you can see. Like that. So now we're going to go into the face, and I'm going to go with the shade Bronze, which is the bronzer. It doesn't look awfully warm, so that's good. It's nice. And then for blush, I think I'm going to go with this one because I want to try the highlighter too. So this